everyone, I'm Jordan and welcome to In the Kitchen with Jordan. And I'm an independent Pampered Chef consultant. And today I wanted to talk to you about the Pampered Chef Enameled cast iron cookware. As you can see, I've got 3 of the Pampered Chef Enameled cast iron pieces to talk to you about today, and this is in the limited time blue color. It also comes in a classic gray. So we're going to be talking about the Dutch oven and the 1 and 2 quart bakers. So first up, let's talk about the Dutch oven. So this Dutch oven is 6 quarts or 24 cups, and it is quite heavy. So Dutch ovens are known for slow braises and special occasion meals, but they can do so much more. So this pot is ideal for simmering sauces and cooking pasta and grains, and you can even make a delicious loaf of bread. So the lid has a nice sturdy handle that makes it easy to manage even with an oven mitt. And inside the lid is covered with bumps that redirect the condensation in the pot to drip back onto your food, making it a self-basting pot. And this means that your food is juicy, tender, and more flavorful. Okay, so now let's talk about the enameled cast iron bakers. We've got the 1 quart and the 2 quart. So the 1 quart baker is perfect for making baked dips and desserts such as cookies or even fruit crumbles. And the 2 quart baker is perfect for making side dishes like scalloped potatoes. Or you could make a side dish like the ratatouille in the new Pampered Chef Season's Best cookbook. For both of these pans, the wide shallow design means that there's lots of surface area for even browning. And its shape lets you easily scrape down food off the sides of the pan or flip food with a spatula. Although the bakers are also pretty hefty in weight, they've got 2 sturdy handles to help you lift and carry the dishes, so you shouldn't have a problem. Each one of these pieces is heat safe up to 500 degrees. And because cast iron has such great heat retention, you don't have to worry about your food getting cold while you wait for everyone to come to the table. It'll stay nice and hot. So as you can see, I've got each one of my enameled cast iron pieces resting on our new Pampered Chef nesting trivets. So it keeps my surface from getting scratched, and if they were hot, it would keep the surface from getting scorched as well. All 3 of these are designed beautifully to go straight from your oven onto your table. And they each come with a light colored enameled coating, which means that you can start using them right away. You do not need to pre-season them. The thing that I really love about these pieces is how low maintenance they are. They are super easy to clean up, and because they have the enameled coating, they can go straight into the dishwasher. However, because the rim of the bakers and of the Dutch oven have the cast iron exposed, you do need to dry them right away to avoid rusting. I love cooking with cast iron. Food comes out so delicious. And the nice thing about these pieces are they are built to last, so you can plan on handing them down. Plus, for people who really like to cook, these make excellent wedding and housewarming gifts. I really hope that you enjoyed this video on the Pampered Chef Enameled cast iron collection. And if you did, please leave a like or subscribe on YouTube or follow on Facebook at In the Kitchen with Jordan. Hope to see you next time. Bye.